Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the linear equation in two variables by elimination method. In the previous video I had shown first example of elimination method where it was simple to do it. Today I am going to do the second example. Those who have not watched it, please see the first video and then come back to this video. So now solve the linear equation by elimination method. Here when you see, it is x by 7 plus y by 3 is equal to 5 and x by 2 minus y by 9 is equal to 6. So here you have a pair of linear equation. Now we need to solve it. When you observe here, they are in the form of a fraction. It is in the form of a fraction here. First we need to make this a linear equation without fraction. We'll see how to do that. First we need to find out the LCM of both the equation. When you observe here, for 7 and 3 the LCM is 21. So I'll just write here 21, and now here you have x and 7. So whenever you find the LCM, you know how to solve the addition of fractions. So now 7 should be multiplied with 3 to get 21. So here you have to write it as 3x plus. Now 3 should be multiplied with 7. So here it will be y into 7, that is equal to 7y, that is equal to 5. Okay. So now when you see here, this is 3x plus 7y equals, you shift this 21 to the other side. It is 5 into 21. So it will be 3x plus 7y equals 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So this is the first equation. This is how you used to solve. So in the previous video I have shown you how to solve this type of simple linear equation. So you have to do one step ahead in this type of problem. Here for 9 and 2 the LCM here it is. I'll just draw a line so that you can differentiate. So for 9 and 2 the LCM is 18. So now you need to multiply for both numerator and denominator by 9. So it will be 9x minus, here 9 should be multiplied here with 2 both for the numerator and denominator, which you have already learned in your primary classes. So now it will be 9x minus 2y, and send this 18 to the other side. So it is 6 into 18. So it will be 9x minus 2y equals 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6. So here it will be 108. So this is the second equation. So now we have got a pair of equation, that is 3x plus 7y is equal to 105 and 9x minus 2y is equal to 108. This is the second equation. I have written down both the equations, and now you have to check which variable you want to cancel. When you observe here, x, for the coefficients of x are 3 and 9 and the coefficients of y are 7 and 2. Here it is with a plus sign, here it is with a minus sign. So the meaning of elimination is you need to delete one of the variable. So now which variable you can eliminate? None of the variable you can eliminate here. So what you have to do is you have to make the coefficients same. How to make the coefficients same here? That is a question. You need to make the coefficients same by multiplying both the equations in such a way that one of the coefficient will become common. See, now if you take 3 and 9, 3 should be, this first equation should be multiplied with 9 and the second equation should be multiplied with 3. I am choosing the second one because already I have a plus sign and I am having a minus sign, so that I can easily cancel. So now here you have 7y and now here you have 2y. So now you can guess by which number you can multiply. You have to multiply the first one with 2 and the second one with 7. Now I will just multiply. So 2 into 3 is 6x. 2 into 7 is 14y. And here it is 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. The same way I am going to do for the next one also. It is 63x and 7 2s are 14 minus 14y and is equal to 7 8s are 756. Okay. So now the almost half of the work is done. What you have to do is next is elimination. We are going to eliminate one of the variable. Now you can observe that you have 4 plus 14y and here minus 14y, which you can easily cancel it because they are with the opposite side. And after this, here no need to subtract them because we are not going to do any subtraction of the expressions here. So this will be 63 plus 6, that is equal to 16. 9x equals, here add these two. Why we are adding is, there is no other symbol here in between. Both are with positive numbers, so we need to add it. So you just add here. So it will be 966. So x will be equal to 966 by 69. What is 966 by 69? You have to do the division and you have to find out. So it will be equal to 14. X value is equal to 14. Once when you have found the value of x, you are going to find out what's the value of y. So any one equation you can choose. Okay. So now I will take 3x plus 7y is equal to 105 and I will just substitute the value of x here. So it will be 3 into 14 plus 7y equals 105. So it is 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4. 14 into plus 7y equals 108. So 7y is equal to 108 minus 42. So all these are the simple steps which you have. Here 105 minus 42 is 63. So what is y value? Y value is equal to 63 by 7, which is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 14 and y is equal to 7. If you want, you can verify what is x value and y value. You just substitute here. When you are substituting, totally you have to get 105. So this is how you have to solve. So in the next video, I will be showing the other example how to solve the linear equation in two variables with elimination method. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe for the latest videos. Thank you, children.